I wanted to check in with you all and give you an update concerning my channel. Most of you know YouTube is moving in a new direction. YouTube is deleting channels that they deem a threat to their platform. Now is the time for me to reveal my backup channel. The Most High told me to create a backup channel around the time YouTube sent me a notice informing me of their decision to place multiple restrictions on the most viewed video on this channel. Why do most people hate black people? I am glad I listened to the Most High and created the backup channel. The new channel is called Open One Diary. I have re-uploaded many videos to that channel. However, the videos are private at this time. The videos will remain private unless something goes down on this channel. With YouTube cracking down on truth channels, I want my subscribers to be able to find me if YouTube decides to terminate this channel. If you want to stay connected with Open Diary, please subscribe to the backup channel and my other social media accounts. All the links will be in the description box below this video. I did not receive new notices from YouTube concerning this channel. However, some subscribers are not being alerted when I upload new videos, even though they have clicked the notification bell. I am not surprised because YouTube blocked the second most viewed video on this channel without informing me. If you've been following me, you know I have re-uploaded the blocked videos. So far, those videos are in good standing. I am glad that I listened to the Most High and created the second channel. I felt that I needed to inform you just in case something was to happen to this channel. We all will be prepared and continue on our journey together. Israelites, the times are changing. Satan have to find a way to censor the people because too many people are waking up. We are not the only ones waking up. The Gentiles are waking up as well. I know Yah's people all over the world are praying effective prayers, and the Most High is listening and acting. One way to know if your prayers are effective, the sudden changes taking place in the world. Look at the sudden urgency to get rid of truth channels on YouTube. The kingdom of darkness identified the threat. Now they have to eliminate the problem. The kingdom of darkness cannot compete with the fervent prayer of a righteous person because it is powerful and effective.
Therefore confess your sins to each other and pray for each other so that you may be healed. The prayer of a righteous person is powerful and effective.
Remember, when Satan wants to shut you down and trouble increase, you are winning, not losing. Do not let the kingdom of darkness deceive you. The kingdom of darkness have to get rid of the competition that is interfering with their diabolical plans. Israelites, do not get upset, but recognize that the times are changing. You must prepare yourself and your family. If at any time we cannot connect online, the Most High have equipped you with everything that you need to continue with your journey. Do not give up. To all my subscribers, you have my permission to download my videos to keep for yourself and share my videos to help other people wake up from their slumber. I believe this is all the updates I have right now. I am learning to take a break. Although I'm supposed to be on a break, I have been working on new messages as well as new designs for Wisdom Tees. But I promise I will be back very, very soon.